If you search on YouTube on how to make money online, you'll get 10 different answers from 10 different people. And of course, everyone will tell you that their way is the best. But here's the truth. Every model can work if you work it. So the right question isn't how to make money online, it's which model actually fits you. If you keep searching on how to make money online, that's why you feel stuck. You're asking the wrong question. So in this video, I'll break down 5 of the most popular online business models, what they are, the skills needed, the pros and cons, and who they're best for. By the end, you'll know exactly which path makes the most sense for you. And here's the thing, there's no one-size-fits-all best model. If you ask someone who's crushing it in e-commerce, they'll tell you e-commerce. Ask someone who is running a successful agency, they'll say agency. Ask a YouTuber, they'll tell you content creation. So at the end of the day, the best model is the one that aligns with your personality, your interest, and your goals. So let's break down the options. The most straightforward way to start making money online is with a service business, or you can call it freelancing. Don't overcomplicate this. If you have a skill that can help someone else, you can offer it as a service and get paid for it. That could be things like writing, design, editing, coding, social media management, the list goes on. And even if you feel like you don't have a marketable skill right now, you can learn one. Every skill is learnable. If you immerse yourself in just one skill for 3 months, you can get good enough to start charging for it. You don't need to be world class, you just need to be a few steps ahead of the person who's willing to pay you. The pros is the fastest way to start earning online, and it doesn't require much money to get started. The cons, you're trading time for money, and it's harder to scale unless you eventually build a team. This model is best for people who want to start earning quickly or who want to turn an existing skill into income. It's the easiest entry point into online business. The second popular model is running an agency. This is similar to freelancing in the sense that you're still providing a service, but instead of just doing it yourself, you package those services as a business. That could mean starting a marketing agency, a social media agency, or even an AI automation agency. But here's the thing, do you actually enjoy working with people? Because at the core of running an agency is client management. Even if you hire a team or outsource the work, you would still be dealing with communication, meetings, and relationship on a regular basis. The pros? Agencies can scale much bigger than freelancing. You can charge higher retainers, and you're building long-term business equity. The cons? It definitely comes with more stress. There are more moving parts, and especially in the beginning, you'll need to be comfortable with things like cold outreach to land clients. This model is best for people who are natural communicators, who don't mind managing relationships, and who want to scale a service into something bigger than just themselves. Next up, we have e-commerce. That's selling physical products online. This could be through a Shopify store, an Amazon store, or even on TikTok Shop. You are essentially taking a product and selling it directly to consumers. That could mean dropshipping, buying wholesale, or even creating your own branded products. The pros? E-commerce has massive potential. Once you find a winning product, you can scale fast with ads or by going viral on platforms like TikTok. Plus, you are building a real brand that can grow into a long-term asset. The cons? It usually takes more upfront investments compared to freelancing or running an agency. You also need to handle logistics, shipping, and customer support. And not every product you test will be a winner. This model is best for people who enjoy marketing and branding and want to build a physical product business that can scale into something bigger over time. And notice how none of these are perfect. That's the point. Every model has pros and cons. The goal isn't to find the perfect model, it's to pick the one that's most aligned with you, so you can stick with it long enough to succeed. Next, we have affiliate marketing, which is one of my favorite models. This business model is simple. Essentially, you promote someone else's product, and when people buy through your unique link, you earn a commission. The skills you need are content creation, driving traffic, and building trust with an audience. The pros? It's infinitely scalable. There's no inventory or customer service headaches, and once something's working, it can even be semi-passive. Plus, if you promote products that are genuinely good, you're actually helping people. The cons? It's not quick money, and driving traffic is the hardest part, and it takes consistency and patience before you see meaningful results. This model is best for people who enjoy creating content, value flexibility, and have the patience to build something that compounds over time. Finally, we have content creation. Content creation is about building an audience and then monetizing through different income streams. That could be through ad revenue, brand deals and sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or with your own products. Here's what makes this model appealing. It gives you the chance to eventually get paid to do what you love, if you create content around something that you're passionate about. We are living in a time where that's actually possible. The key is finding a topic you enjoy creating around consistently, something you would talk about even if you weren't getting paid for it. And you don't need to grow on every platform. Dominating just one is enough to monetize effectively. And of course, you can branch out later to multiple platforms, but mastering just one is more than enough to build an income. The skills you need are creativity, consistency, and the willingness to put yourself out there. The pros: content creation has massive upside. You can build a personal brand, create multiple sources of income, and once you have an audience, you can pivot into almost any business model. The cons: it's a long game. Building an audience takes time, effort, and a lot of trial and error. Most people quit too early before they see results because it feels like nothing's happening at first. This model is best for people who enjoy creating, are willing to stay consistent, and want to build a long-term leverage through an audience. So those are the 5 most popular online business models. Notice how none of them are easy money. Every single one requires effort, consistency, and patience. The difference is where you put that effort, and which model matches your skills and personality best. At the end of the day, the best business model is the one you'll actually stick with. If you hate working with clients, don't start an agency. If you don't enjoy making content, affiliate marketing might not be for you. It's important you play to your strengths. That's how you build something sustainable. Now, I would love to hear from you. Which of these models feels like it's the best fit for you right now? Drop it in the comments below. I read every single one. And if affiliate marketing sounds like your fit, I made a complete step-by-step tutorial breaking down exactly how to get started, and I'll link it right here. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.